Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We're answering a question about how to protect your seat covers from the sun. Well, the sun will damage any product that it hits. Really, any seat covers, any fabric style seat covers in sim leather, or canvas, whatever the material may be, the sun eventually will fade and crack that material. So the best thing to do is keep the vehicle in the garage when you're not using it. Now, if you don't have a garage, if vehicles are being parked outside all the time and the sun's just beating down on those seats, a couple things you might consider is using one of these following products. This is a 303 vinyl protectant, good for the sim leathers. So that's something you might look at. And you spray that on the sim leather and rub it in there. And again, if the sun's really hitting those seats a lot, you might put it on every 30 days or so, just to give another UV protection on there. Now, the next thing you might do, and this is especially important for a UTV that's parked outside all the time, this is Scotch Guard outdoor sun and water shield. So it really helps. It acts as another UV protectant and then also a water repellent to use on those seats, because again, when that sun is hitting it, it will start degrading those seats. So this is something you can use, typically recommended for outdoor vehicles though, your UTVs. Now, if you have any other questions about these products, feel free to reach out to us. We've used these on some of the products that we've had, but again, the best thing to do is keep the vehicle in the garage when it's not being used. But if you can't do that, consider these things and let us know if you have any other questions. We're happy to help. Again, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.